Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy Mask Monday Ladies and Friends Collaboration Day. You guys, I got my Walmart beauty box for summer. Remember the last time I was talking about, I had a feeling that was coming and it did show up. So we're going to go ahead and check that one out. But first, let's get the mask on. First, I'm going to go with the under eye masks. I'm trying to get rid of these before I move, if I can, so I don't have to move them. Because we're pretty close to hitting the pan on these. Woo. My goodness. A lot of serum. Look at that, you guys. That's how cold it is. It's sort of frozen. Woo. Just put some of that serum in there. They're cold. Might have to move these down a shelf because they certainly are quite cold. Yeah, they're a little crispy frozen. I'm back to using my lavalier. I'm in a hurry. So I'm actually filming this, you guys. It's actually Friday night. I am actually going to be gone for Mask Monday with a friend up to her cabin. Yeah, we're going to go up to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan on Lake Superior. Her family's cabin's up there. Her family's going up there. So she usually goes several times a year, and at least one of those times she'll take a friend with her. So I got to be the lucky one this year. We are just going to go. We're leaving at the dark 30 on Saturday morning. And then we're coming back Monday night because we both are so busy with work. Okay, so here's the mask. I'm going to be using the hyaluronic acid with peach essence mask. Been a while since I've used one of these. She's nice and cold out of the fridge. So anyway, I'm not going to be here for Mask Monday. I usually film on Sundays, and I will be up in the Upper Peninsula. And I don't even know if I'm going to have cell reception where we're going. So I'm making this early so I can make sure it goes out. And then I'm going to tell you guys, Monday night, I'm going to get home and I have a live stream on our Barn Besties channel. So if you guys are available, I believe, there we go. I believe it's 6 p.m. Central Time, I believe, on our Barn Besties channel. But you can go see the if you want to go look for it, make sure you go subscribe. You can be notified. Oh, I thought I had my mask cover, but I don't. But this is so wet. So much good extra serum. Let's just hope for the best. We'll hold it in place with some reading glasses. There we go. Okay, so let's get into Walmart Beauty for summer. Summer, I've got version 3. Here's the numbers if you want to see them on the box. Let me know if you got the same items. I'd be curious to know. Okay, Sunshine in a box. Ooh, we have a coupon on the back. $2 off any Rimmel product. I actually like Rimmel products. I used to use a Rimmel brow pencil all the time. Okay, so here are the items that are potentially in the box. Obviously, there's a QR code. It says, don't see your product. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love, aka they ran out and they had to substitute. Ooh, oh, full-size item. A detangling hairbrush. This is awesome. This is great right out of the box. The Tangle Teaser, essential detangling for natural curly hair. $12.97 is what this retails for. And the box, you guys, is less than, for me, with taxes, less than $8. So this is already $13. Tangle Teaser, essential detangling for naturally curly hair. Awesome. I love this. This is a great stuff. I love the color. I love me some purple. That's great right out of the box. We got a little mascara sample. CoverGirl's Lash Blast Cleantopia Mascara. The full size of this, which this is not, the full size would be $10.98 and at 0.32 ounces. Again, CoverGirl's Lash Blast Cleantopia Mascara. So this is what the little sample size looks like. Now the back says Cruelty-free, vegan, clean, which is what they're going for here. Let me kind of scoochy my hands out of the way there so you can see it. This is 0.05 fluid ounces or 1.5 milliliters. Again, a full size of this, 0.32 ounces. Okay, so that's nice. Ooh, got another nice item. Ooh, okay, this is going to go along with the hairbrush. This is the Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. Looks like it's 2 ounces. Yeah, it says 2 ounces. This is the brand, Eva New York City, or EVA NYC. A full size of this would be 5 ounces. This is 2 ounces. And a full size would be $13.97. I'll give this a whirl. We'll see what this is like. Been using a lot more product on my crazy curls. Leave-in conditioners are always appreciated if they work. They don't always work great. All right, we got a little sample size deodorant. This is Dove aluminum-free coconut and pink jasmine mini stick deodorant. A full size would be 2.6 ounces and $6.99. This is maybe an ounce, and I can't read it because it's really, really light text on really, really white background. But that's cool. I don't think I'm going to be able to smell anything because I got the mask on. It's too close to my nose. The mask isn't really scented, but there is a scent to it. All right, one more item. So this is going to be Sun Bomb. Ooh, perfect. I will take this with me this weekend. This is SPF 30, which I do not, you guys, 30 is not enough. So this is the Sun Bomb Original Sunscreen Lotion SPF 30. A full size would be 6 ounces at $16.48. Smells like summer, moisturizing sunscreen. Formula will protect your skin from harmful UVA and B rays while enriching your skin with vitamin E. I actually have a Sun Bomb spray that's like a, I don't know, SPF 70 or something. So it says this is water resistant, great for all skin types. I just like that this is, you know, something you can throw in your bag and take with you. I'll have to peel that off, but that'll be nice to actually have. Easy to put in the pocket, and you can reapply. You have to with SPF 30. You got to reapply it every 30 to 45 minutes. So that's just the way it goes. I can't really. Let me see here, guys. I bought these recently. You saw them on my last video. Let's see if these, I can actually like read the really tiny stuff here. Okay. Avobenzone and octinoxate, it looks like, homosalate and octocrylene. So all chemical sunscreens. So remember, with a chemical sunscreen, you have to apply it a minimum of 30 minutes before you go out into the sun, because it's a chemical reaction with your skin. It takes that long for the chemical to get into your, do what it's supposed to do. And then because it's a chemical reaction, what happens is those UVA and B rays hit the sunscreen in your skin, and the chemical converts that harmful UVA and B rays, and releases it as heat. So when it does that, the chemical disappears. You need to keep reapplying. So that's why I'm saying it's nice to have a small one that you can, do your face and your hands. But you have to keep reapplying or you're not doing yourself any good. So I think this was a great box, you guys. For me, where I live, and my sales tax, this is under $8 a month for me. So this is already $13. It's a full-sized item. That's great. We've got the leave-in conditioner. A full size of this would be $14, but this is not full size. Full size of this would be $16.48, which is, to me, kind of expensive for an SPF 30. We've got the little Dove stick, which again is great for travel. Full size at 2.6 ounces would be $6.99. This is probably an ounce. And then this will be interesting to try. I haven't been wearing a lot of mascara lately because of the eyes, but a full size of this would be $10.98. I'm curious to see how this is going to go. The color is extreme black, by the way, which is great. I'm curious about the formula. Maybelline does a good job. This is CoverGirl. I don't know when the last time was I've used a ton of CoverGirl mascaras. So, I got some dirt on here. Of course I did. Oh, well, there we go. So much serum on this mask. But I think this is a great box. Good job, Walmart. You know, a nice new hairbrush. That's great. You know, and I am a curly hair girl. It's kind of a mess right now, but yeah, I buy brushes all the time. For me, looking at this brush, I feel like the bristles are a little close. I like that they're flexible. I prefer a brush that's got less bristles per square inch for curly hair, because I feel like this might be a little bit much for my fine hair, but yeah, I can always give it to a friend. So I'm not sad to get it at all. I think this is great. So let me know, you guys, if you get Walmart's box, did you get the same products? Let's quick look at what's not in there. And again, coupon on the back. Oh, so there were 2 different Dove sticks. You could get the coconut and pink jasmine mini stick, or there's a coconut and vanilla whole body anti friction stick. This is the deodorant, but you could have also gotten a Dove coconut and vanilla whole body anti-friction stick, which is nice. Great to go under your bra for when it's hot to keep from that friction going. But this is the deodorant one. Other than that, everything on here is what I got. I got the Sun Balm. I got the CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara. I got the brush. I got the hydrating leave-in conditioner. Ah, this is the other one I didn't get. Sorry. The other option from Maybelline would have been a Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. So those are the options. I'm going to show you on the back again. It's kind of nice. Nice little coupon on there. That's really nice. $2 off any Rimmel product. I mean, that's pretty great. So, again, I'm happy. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, you guys. And if you do get it, like I said, let me know what version box you got. This one, again, version 3. Good box. Good job, Walmart. Way to go. Clap, clap. Okay, well, that's it for Mask Monday, guys. Like I said, I'm doing this on a Friday night because I am leaving it very, very early in the morning Saturday, and I won't be around to be able to film for Mask Monday, so I'm going to do this a little early, get it prepped. It'll still drop the same time it always does. But yeah, if you get a chance, would love to see you guys on the live stream Monday night. It's on my other channel, Barn Besties, and it's at Barnyard Besties WI. I'll link it down below in the description here, but would love to see some of you guys on there. We always have a ton of fun on the live stream. So, but yeah, have a great one, guys. Hope you had a great weekend. It's really, really, really going to be hot here in the Midwest. They're talking upper 90s, middle to upper 90s. It's a good time to kind of run away to the north and hope it's not going to be quite as warm. Yeah, I hope you guys fared well and have a great Monday. And like I said, I hope to see you guys on the live stream. But I'll see you all in my next video, okay? Bye, everybody.